6. Tried and tested healthy oatmeal for weight loss. Oats are viewed as both supplement thick and calorie thick, so despite the fact that they're a phenomenal decision at breakfast, they're not a low-calorie food. Assuming you're watching your weight, it's shrewd to adhere to direct divides. The authority serving size for rolled or moment oats is a half cup. This probably won't seem like much from the start, however, remember that, with the expansion of the fluid, oats extend to about double their unique size. 1. Don't load up on sugar. Scaling back sugar is a first of all standard of weight reduction, also broad well-being. There's solid proof that abundant sugar is a reason for weight gain, and spiking your glucose first thing with super sweet oats could prompt an early in the day hypoglycemic accident. Rather than making a threat-level invention with a pile of earthy colored sugar, make progress toward more inconspicuous pleasantness. Attempt a few teaspoons of maple syrup for a lower carb sugar, or allow organic product to improve your cereal normally. 2. Add fruit. Running after eating 5 products of the soil a day? It's an advantageous objective for weight reduction. One enormous review from 2015 observed that individuals who remembered more products of the soil for their eating regimen were bound to weigh less. Berries, apples, and pears were particularly connected with more prominent misfortunes. Getting the suggested 5 servings of produce each day can be a difficult task except if you start early, so let your bowl of cereal be the vehicle for a serving of natural product. With a modest bunch of berries, a large portion of a diced apple, or a layer of banana cuts, you'll help the fiber content in your morning meal and burden upon significant micronutrients like nutrient C and potassium. 3. Include protein. Weight reduction specialists frequently promote the powers of protein for dropping pounds. This muscle-building large scale is amazingly satisfying, fighting off the cravings for food that may drive you to indulge. Oats are an astounding wellspring of protein without help from anyone else. A half-cup serving contains a great 6 grams. However much an egg, yet adding considerably more is a snap. A touch of nut margarine, a sprinkle of seeds or nuts, or a scoop of protein powder consolidate delightfully into a generous morning bowl. 4. Watch your portions. Oats are viewed as both supplement thick and calorie thick, so in spite of the fact that they're a brilliant decision at breakfast, they're not a low-calorie food. Assuming that you're watching your weight, it's brilliant to adhere to direct parcels. The authority serving size for rolled or moment oats is a half cup. This probably won't seem like much from the get-go, yet remember that, with the expansion of the fluid, oats extend to about double their unique size. Here is a master tip. Make oats in a more modest oat bowl, not a soup bowl, to make a more fulfilling visual. 5. Keep it interesting. Having the standard, worn-out breakfast each and every day can get outrageously exhausting, regardless of whether it's something you like. What's more, when you're exhausted, it's very simple to escape from your sound breakfast. To keep things intriguing, and save yourself in good shape for weight reduction, make certain to periodically change everything around in your morning cereal. Attempt another zest mix. Match your natural products to the evolving seasons, or trial with various prep, as short-term or slow-cooked oats. The component of assortment will keep you returning the morning subsequent to morning. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.